solve these two, you basically replace that one, and then you get these two more. To one look these two, I mean, I trace the centers. I mean, I won't show it, like you can do it by yourself. And for corners, it's super simple. These two just both get kicked out like that by the last two moves. And the mirror is the exact same thing. Here are examples. For that one, I'm gonna trace the centers. The green one will move here and it will stay here. The yellow, I mean the white center will move here, then here and here. The orange one will move here, here and here. And I think that's all that we need to know. So green is solved, orange is opposite, and our U center is here. So we have the case where these two are opposite, and our U center is, our U center is here, and this one is solved. And for corners, this one gets kicked out here, and this one gets kicked out here. So we have pi in the back. And yeah, that means we actually have a hatch here. And for that one, I'm gonna trace the centers. This one will move here and it will stay here, so it's opposite. The white will be here. The blue will be here, so it will be solved. And yeah, I'm gonna stop here. And these two will get kicked out. So we have pi in the back. And yeah, that means here's the pi, and this one is opposite. These two are solved, and our U center is here. And we have that case. And I solve it like that. Here are the last two cases. The way you solve these two is you insert that one and then solve these two. And to one look these two, it's super simple. If you're familiar with this pattern, where these two swap and these two swap, and that one stays in the same place, that's what happens here. But you need to hold it from a specific position, and you hold it like so the bottom corner is facing you, and so that one will stay in the back, and where the corner is in the bottom, these two in the bottom swap, and where are these two? These two swap, and that's it for the centers. For corners, I trace the bottom two. So for example, that one will go here and then here, and this one will just get kicked out here. And the mirror is the same thing. You hold it like that, so the bottom corner is facing you, and then these two will swap and these two will swap, and you trace the corners. Here are examples. Okay, we are doing green here, and I'm gonna hold it like that. So that one will stay in the same place, and then these two will swap and these two will swap, so we have no opposites or solved. I'm gonna look at corners. that one will go here and then here, and that one will get kicked out, so it's here. So I know I have peanut in the front right. Now I'm gonna look at the centers, specifically for the top one. So red is gonna be the top center, and it will go here. But how I recognize the annas I think we're gonna get is I look at the opposite side where it belongs, so here, and if the corner, like if that corner isn't here, then it's the bad case. And by the bad case I mean like these two. And you're gonna get that one, I believe. I mean, it depends a lot on how you want. I mean, how you recognize the cases you're gonna get. Yeah, I mean, we got that one. And for the other one, okay, we are doing white here, and I'm gonna hold it like that, and the one in the back won't move, so it's solved. And now these two will swap, and these two will swap. That, and for corners, this one goes here and then here, and then this one will be here. So we have solved corners, and the one here is solved, and our U center is here. So we know that these two need to swap and these two need to swap, and we have sorry about that. We have that case. These two swap, these two swap. And wait, white is here, and we have it like that.